Okay, good morning all. This is Robin and this is Roaming with Rover, and it's Tuesday, so that means it's Robin's Ramblings. Today I'm going to show you what I got for Valentine's Day. We are working on the rig as always, so I may get interrupted. If it's only a little bit, I'll keep going. Okay, so the other day, you know, all the Valentine's stuff, and we're out in the middle of nowhere, so it's not like we have a lot of access to anything. And a commercial came on for Valentine's Day, and Mister looks at me and says, "Did I get you something for Valentine's Day?" And I said, "Yes, you did. You want to see what you ordered me?" And he laughed, knowing full well where it was coming from. So this is the box. This is the box. It's heavy. Anyway, it came from Hirschner's. And I've already popped the top so we can look at it. I haven't even taken it out yet. Okay, let's see. As you may or may not know, I love hearts. I love hearts. I want hearts on everything. So we got some heart stuff. I like Hirschner's because they include the shipping thing. Okay, so we got 4 things. Now with Hirschner's, there's usually a sale when I order something, and I also have, I'm part of their, I don't know what they call it, preferred customer thing. Anyway, so no matter what I order, I get 10% off on top of whatever the sale is or anything else. So let's see what we got here. Okay, these are the patterns. This is weird. I ordered kits, and normally when we get kits, they come in a nice little bag. This is just like a box of yarn. I'm not loving that. I like my kits to be separated out in little bags. So, okay, the first thing we got was the Gradient Ripple Cowl. I've just been enamored with cowls lately. And this has Mandala. I'm trying not to crinkle. I'm so sorry. It's the Mandala Ombre watercolors. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. I believe this was on sale for $6. So that's, yeah, about what it would cost for one skein of yarn and a pattern, you know. I don't give a lot of value to patterns because most of the time these are free patterns, but you can't always get the patterns for the things that they're selling in kits. Okay, so that's the first thing. And the second thing is the Love My Valentine Throw. Love My Valentine Throw. This was $30 for the kit. And it came with, whoa, that is some bright yarn. My camera's not loving that. It's shocking pink. Boy, isn't it? Shocking pink. It's Super Saver Red Heart. And I'm gonna have to move this stuff over. A couple of loose ones. So yeah, these are not coming in kits at all. Another bag of it. So that's 5. And a pink and a red. Oh, that's a pretty red. Cherry red. I think I need that red for another project too. And perfect pink. These are pretty. I like these a lot. So this is what we're looking at together. Oh, those look nice together. Very pretty. I like the colors a lot. So that is for Love My Valentine Throw. And you can't, it's hard to even see in here, but it's a fillet pattern. Maybe. Okay, it's a fillet pattern, and the hearts are next to each other, and then you've just got a little different colors on the edging. And of course that's, you know, red heart yarn, medium weight for machine wash and dry. Each one of those is 364 yards. So you get 5 skeins of the pink, one of the shocking pink, one of the red, one of the regular pink. and it takes a crochet hook eye. Interesting. Oh, here's a better picture. There. I like it. I like it a lot. That is a bright pink. Bright pink. Okay. So, you know, I bought one of these yesterday and it was in the neighborhood of $5. So, what did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $35 worth of yarn. That's not too bad. And plus I got percentage off of that. This is the one I really fell in love with though. It's called the Erin Hearts Throw. Oh, it is so pretty. I'll bet you there's a better picture on the back. There is. This is so pretty. Look at that. And look at all the different stitch work on there. My camera's having problems with it. Look at all that stitch work. So that came with Red Heart Soft Rose Blush, which I've not worked with this before, so I'm not familiar with it. Oh, here's a loose one. Ooh, this is nice. This is, oh yeah, this is very nice. It's got a little bit of a halo. Very nice. Medium 4, it's a solid 4. Machine wash, tumble dry, 100% acrylic. Rose, the color's rose blush. No dye lot, that's nice. So if I don't have enough, I can get more. And I'm trying to find the yardage. J-hook. Why can't I find the yardage? Oh, there it is. 5 ounce skein, 256 yards. And we got 11 of them. It's a lot of yarn. 11 of these. So those come in packages as well. I have no idea the cost on these. Red Heart Soft. I'm thinking $5 or $6 a yarn. Or a skein. So $50 worth of yarn anyway. $50, $60 worth of yarn. So that was a good deal, and that was $50. So plus my discount. And then of course I saw this, which caught my eye. Oh, and it is in a zip bag. Oh, and it's purple. Because the only thing I like better than hearts is purple. Oh, and I love this. I love this brand of yarn. The worsted, Hirschner's Worsted. It's their own brand. This is what I was expecting the other kits to come in a nice bag like that. That's annoying that it didn't. Let's see what we got here. Can you see the shells and then the pineapple? I think this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Pineapple and shells Afghan. Intermediate level, worsted 8. Or color of choice. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, and it's got the pull tabs. I wish they all had that. I really do. 100% acrylic, 8 ounces, 489 yards, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And I do know the price on these is right in the neighborhood of $4 or $5, depending on if they're on sale or not. Size H hook. So we got $25 worth of yarn, give or take, and a pattern. It was $20. Okay, that's not bad. So I love, love, love all of them. This is nice. This is so pretty. I can't wait to work with this one. I think this is machine wash and dry too. Yep, machine wash and dry. It's a 4-weight. A little bit of a thinner 4. I call it a light 4, but it's still fine. Perfectly fine weight. And I love that pattern, which I can't even find now. That is so pretty. It really, really caught my eye. I'm not a huge fan of the pineapples, but look, oh yeah, you can really see them on the side. But this is lovely. This is gonna work up nice. So, happy Valentine's Day to me. Lots. Boy, these look nice together too, don't they? Ooh. All of the blankies are gonna look wonderful together. I'm very happy with all of it. Very, very, very happy. He did good. See my bouquet of yarn that I got for Valentine's Day. Love it. So, yeah, the value is definitely there. I like being able to get all the yarn that I need in one fell swoop. I don't think it was necessarily that you didn't really save much by buying them in the kits, but that's okay. I got the pattern I needed, I got the yarn I needed, I got the colors I needed. It's not easy for me to get yarn where I am, and although you wouldn't know the amount of yarn that comes in here, but so it's much easier for me to just buy something that's already figured out. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and we will see you later. Please like, please subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Tell me if you like the kits. Tell me what your favorite one was. What do you think? What should I work up first? Which one should I work up first? The purple one, the light pink, or the shocking pink? Actually, it's probably going to be that little cowl, because that'll be a fast one. But we won't count that. Just of the blankets, which one should I work up first? Let me know. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.